Let me show you how you can use this 𝗪𝗏𝗘 app to start making calls and earn from those calls. Now, it doesn't matter the country or region you are from. This method I'm about to show you is going to work perfectly for you, and you're going to make money from every call you make. We all use our regular call apps on our phone to make calls every day, but we don't earn from it. But with this call app, you are going to start making money on every single call you make. And once you have the threshold to withdraw, you can go ahead and withdraw. And the good part is the threshold is so small that on a single call, you can make the threshold and you withdraw and you have the money sent to your bank account immediately. So if this looks like what you're interested in, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end so you won't miss out on the steps I'm about to show you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can enjoy more tips on how to make money that will be bringing your way subsequently. And while watching the tutorial, if you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp with a link in the description below. With all that being said, let's get into the tutorial proper. So you may need to use a VPN if you are having difficulty downloading the app, or if the app is unavailable in your region, you may need to install a very powerful VPN. And I recommend this Wire VPN. It is free and also powerful. So just install it. And for those that have other paid VPNs, you can also use those ones. Just ensure you use something very powerful and something that can give you similar results. So after installing the VPN you want to use, the very first app you need to install is going to be 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗣𝗪. And this 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 is where you are going to buy the US number which you will use for this update. Okay, so go to your Play Store or Apple Store, search for 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 and install the app. That's where you are going to buy the US number which you are going to use. And in case you have a US number already, you can also use it. Okay, provided that you can use it to receive text message to verify your registration. So after installing the 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app, go ahead and activate your VPN. So I will open my Wire VPN. Then you see this select virtual location and go to North America, as you can see on your screen. And that's why this Wire VPN is good. It gives you a chance to select your location. So select United States of America. Okay, so in United States of America, after tapping it, it's going to bring these options. We are going with the second option, Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, and then hit on connect. So it's going to connect, and when it does, you are going to see the circle will turn blue and it will start counting just like this. So that way you are sure that it's connected. So after connecting your VPN, it's time to download the 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app. If you're already in a country that 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app is allowed and you can use it without using VPN, then there will be no need for you to use a VPN. But for those in countries that 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 is not allowed to use, you can go ahead and turn on your VPN before attempting to install it. So as you can see, it's saying that the app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So if you face something like this, there are many ways you can go about it. So just go back, right, and you look top right corner, you'll see where your email address is. Just click on this arrow here. Just tap on that arrow so you can have your other email addresses shown. Then select any of them. All right, so just switch to another email address. So once you switch, try searching for 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app again. So let's try again with this new email address. So I'll just go up there again and search for 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app. Okay, 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app. And then unfortunately for this one too, it's saying it's not available in my region. So I'll still go again. I'll go back again and still switch to another email. Now I'm showing you all these steps because there are ways, there are tips, okay, what I faced while trying to do mine, so, and how I navigated and got it done. So I just switched to another email again and I'm searching. Okay, so if you don't have multiple Gmail, you can create. Now this is the third one and it's still saying not available. So let me switch. I just switched to the fourth one now. So let me search 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪𝗏 app, and this one is available. You can see. So just try that until you see the one that will work. And for you the very first one may just work out. All right, so just go ahead and install it. So after installing the Neon app, next thing is to get our US number. So we are going to open our Nomiero app. Remember, you installed the Nomiero app previously, so just open the Nomiero app and then enter your phone number to create your account. So enter your native phone number. If you are in Nigeria, enter your Nigerian phone number. If you are wherever, just enter your phone number, and then they are supposed to send you a verification code to activate your account. But if they didn't send the code, don't bother. It will still give you access to the account. Then you can activate the Nomiero account later, before you buy the number, or before you use the number rather. So in case they didn't send it, just allow the countdown go, then you tap on resend using WhatsApp. Because mine, I didn't see any message at first, any code, so I chose the WhatsApp option, but they didn't still send it. So afterwards, I was given access to the Nomiero app despite not verifying. Okay, so go to phone numbers. Let's get the phone number now, the US number, then select USA special offers. Then you can select any one you want to select here, either New York or any number. Then go to the last option, this one that carries 3.49. So we are going to pay for just 1 month, so all you need to do is tap on continue. Don't click on annual plan, just click on continue, then click on this buy per month, then click on confirm. Alright, so after that, just check the acknowledge button and continue again, and then you're going to pay with your Google Pay. So you must have added your card on your Google Pay or Google Play Store. If you haven't, you can go ahead and add. For me, I have a card here, so you can see it's added, and you can see the amount for the US number there. So I'll just go ahead and click on subscribe and enter my verification, and you can see the payment processing already. It just take a couple of seconds, and alright, you can see mine is done. You can see subscribed. Okay, I'll just tap on no thanks now, and you get a notification. You can see purchase successful. Okay, so we have the number now. That's my number right there. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and tap on not now, so I can set up the other things. So you can see my Nigerian number and my US number right there. Okay, and after doing that, you can come to this call section and also do your verification that I failed to do. So if you didn't do your verification too, you can go back and do it just like this. Okay, so wait for them to send the SMS, but if they don't send it, wait for the countdown to go, and then you use WhatsApp verification. That one is always working fine. So tap on WhatsApp verification and complete the captcha that will come. For this, it says I should select the motorcycles on screen, so I'll select them, and voila, the WhatsApp code was finally sent to my WhatsApp. So I will just head to my WhatsApp now and pick the code to come and verify my account. So like I said earlier, if all of this is allowed in your country or region, you may necessarily don't have to use a VPN. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp and get the code. So it will come in like this. Just copy the code and head back to the Nomiero app and enter the code. For me, my code is 367278. So I'll tap on activate, and that's it. So now that you have your US number, reach out to me on WhatsApp. The link will be in the description of this video. Reach out to me, send me this US number, and I'm going to send you an invite to create an account on Neon. It's absolutely optional, but if you do that, I'm going to add you to my community where you have lots of other Neon users to always call and make more money. So you can go ahead and open the Neon app now for registration, now that we have our US number. So ensure you have your VPN on if it's not allowed in your country. Okay, so open your Neon app, just click on get started, and then enter that your US number which you just bought. All right, so click on continue. So we're going to do a verification now. So a code will be sent to that your US number, so you can open your numero to check the code. So but if you are using another number, just get the code that was sent. If you are using a US number from any other platform, just get the code that was sent and impute it. All right, so then click on verify. Okay, so after clicking on verify, it's going to bring out a little form which you enter your name and your email address. The email address is very important, so ensure to do that. So you're also going to verify that phone number which you entered, that your US phone number. So tap on it and this number is going to be generated for you. You can copy it down or cram it. Okay, so because you are going to type it, so all right, you are going to type it on a call. They are going to call you like this, so accept the call. All right, after accepting the call, they are going to ask for the phone number. They are going to say you should enter the phone number, so just pay attention to the instruction. So once they request for the phone number, just toggle out the keypad and enter the phone number. Okay, so at this verification stage, I tried it twice but it didn't work. All right, and they eventually gave me access to the app. Okay, so and you see a verification stuff up there if it's not yet verified. So go ahead and tap on that yellow verify if yours also did the same like this. Okay, so a number will be generated. Ensure to copy it down or cram it on your head because you are going to enter it on the call like I explained earlier. Okay, that's my own number, so I crammed it, then I tap on the call that was coming in. So you have to accept the call and wait for them to ask for the number. Okay, so for me, I waited and I was eventually asked to enter the number. So you tap that keypad box. Once you tap it, the keypad will come out, then you enter the number. Okay, you enter the code. After entering it, just come and click complete, and that's it. While entering the number, you will not see the number you are entering, but just enter the correct number. It's going to work. Okay, so now we have our new app or new account verified also, and we are good to go. Okay, this is our fresh account and you can see everything looking good. The minimum withdrawal is 10 cents, as you can see there, and you can see other things. So our account is ready now. You can start making calls. So at this point, if you don't have anyone you can call, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to add you to the community. So after registering, you can also invite somebody. You can send somebody an invite and you get rewarded for it. So you can go to the settings and you can see where you enter the person's phone number here. So just enter the person's US number there. Someone that have not registered before but has a US number. So just enter the number there and send the invite. So when the person is fully active and using the platform, you'll be rewarded. All right, I think it's $1 or so. So our account is ready, and let's receive a call. So I would be expecting a call from someone. So I'll just have to connect my VPN, and then I'll be expecting a call from someone shortly because I just told someone to call me from our community. So I'll get the app open, and now another thing is sometimes the app might be malfunctioning, so you have to force stop it. If you are using an Android, just force stop the app and clear cache, not data. So just clear cache, force stop the app so that it can start working properly, just in case yours is probably crashing. So you can see as the call is coming in up there, just tap on the notification and it's going to come up like this. Then you can receive. Just tap on the green and it will receive. Okay, and then you can start talking. It's as simple as that. This one is for someone calling you. Okay, so it's going to come in through the numero like that. So let's check the history of the calls we just made. I did like 3 of them, and you can see each of them had earnings. You can see the duration of those calls and their earnings on the right hand side. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So once you now have quite a good amount you would like to withdraw, and remember the minimum cash out or withdrawal is just 10 cents, 0.10. So it's as low as that. So but I gave myself a target of $10 before withdrawal, so and I've met that. So just click on cash out whenever you want to withdraw your money, and then click on request payout, and instantly the funds will be taken out of your dashboard and is going to be under review, because they are going to manually review the calls you made to have that money. So after review, they are going to decide if you are going to be paid or if the money is going to be slashed or cancelled totally. All of these are based on their policies and rules. So that's all about this update. If you have any question at all, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.